Franny's vlogs. It's the assistant here. Yo, what is up, assistant? What is up? Say hi. No? Anyways, you guys, it is Francisco here, back again with Frannyfriendly. Yo, what is up, you guys? Right now, just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, because this is the first vlog I'm doing in 2019 right now. And I know you guys just seen the videos I just uploaded, but I was too lazy to edit it. My bad. We'll just skip over that. Anyways, we put the dogs for sale on Craigslist, and we got a potential buyer. So he wants one of the girls. It's either Hazel, Pony, or Chanel. So right now, I'm gonna put them their collars so we can take them to the new owner. So we'll find out who he wants out of the girls. So let's go put the collars on right now. Let's go. Got the collars for these dogs. Yes, sorry for the mess that's outside. I blame all the dogs. Let me just put you guys down. Woodley, this is Pony, my pony, my pony, my pony, pony, pony man. I'm gonna just do them because Preacher brought the wrong colors for them. Today's the day the selective ones are going through the Hunger Games. I mean Hunger Dogs. Pony versus Chanel. Chanel.
Chanel.
What are you guys doing?
Come on.
Hey.
Hey, puppy,
You got anything to say? Anything to say, you guys?
Love you guys. Miss you.
Only
Chanel,
once.
come on.
Chanel.
Chanel, you fat ass. Come over here. Vamos, yeah?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Open the car. Hold on.
So yeah, we're getting ready to go drop off one of the dogs. Goodbye. We'll see you in the next one. See you in the next scene. Let's go. Now Patricia in the process of giving the dog away. She's writing all the paperwork and everything. So the guy decided to get Chanel actually. So Pony. They don't want you, Pony. I guess because Chanel has blue and brown, so I guess that's what caught his eye mostly. But yeah, so we have one dog that's gone, so that's be Chanel. So we still got Zeus, Pony, and Hazel. So those only dogs are left. So if you want a dog, anything, comment down, go to my Instagram, follow me, DM me, anything. We'll see how it is. She's coming. What she wants?
They took my Chanel.
Yo, Chanel just left like quick.
They took my Chanel. I was not prepared to let Chanel go.
She honestly was like waiting because it was the guy wanted Pony mostly, but Chanel caught the eye, the blue eyes. I'm telling you.
16.
Oh, that's the money though. We can't show that. I'm gonna get demonetized. All right, Pony. What do you guys say? Say goodbye to your sister. Look at Chanel. Look how happy she is.
you're such a cutie, my boy. Vamos, vamos, afuera. Vamos al baño. ¿Me quieres? Al baño. Alright, let's go. Selena, let's go take them outside.
What is up, you guys? It's Isco here. We're back again with another dog vlog. And this time, the dog is leaving his pony. Pony. That's Mocha. Hey, Mocha. Pony. That's Hazel. That's Zeus. Pony. Pony. So yeah, that's the next dog that is leaving us. Hopefully. We don't know yet, so we just gonna go and find out. Yeah, so let's go sell this puppy, cause we got 2 more. Well, we're meeting another buyer tomorrow for Zeus. But yeah, all right, let's go on the road. Let's go.
Hey, my pony. Pony. Hey, my pony. Hey, girl. Hey. Oh, you look so gorgeous. Oh, you look so gorgeous. She's kind of used to the car. Ready?
All right, guys, we're here at the park, and Pony is leaving. Bye, Pony. Bye, Pony. Take care. Don't fight with other dogs. All right, take care. One more time. Zeus! You're leaving, bro. Hey, bro. Zeus, right here, look. Zeus, you're leaving, bro. I know you guys can't see me because there's freaking light, but yeah, you guys, Zeus is gonna be leaving us. Let's go here, back again. I think this is the 3rd dog.
You're my George.
So yeah, everybody's selling the puppy, Zeus. Bye, my boy.
My boy. Love you, my
The only boy that was in the litter, which is good. He was supposed to be the first one gone out of 5 owners, but finally we got the last one. She's really good. So I'm gonna pass the camera to my baby. This is Zeus. All right, boy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye over here. Take care.
I don't think he understands it.
Alright, Zeus. Bye. That's like farewell.
Yeah, so alright, that's fine. That's understandable.
It's big game season in Miami.
Been a good one. Peace out. POP. Like, comment, subscribe. Anything. I don't care. See you guys later. Peace.